Get ready for the ultimate action camera showdown. Two heavyweights are making serious waves. GoPro's Hero 13 Black, packed with jaw-dropping upgrades, and DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro, rumored to bring even more heat. Both promise top-tier performance, but which one truly stands out? From ultra-high resolution video to next-level stabilization, there's a ton to unpack. Let's dive into the features and see which of these action cams takes the crown. When comparing the GoPro Hero 13 Black with the anticipated Osmo Action 5 Pro, the differences in image quality are striking. The Hero 13 Black boasts impressive specs, delivering 27-megapixel photos and the ability to shoot video at an astounding 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. This means stunningly detailed images and buttery smooth video playback. Its hyper-smooth 6.0 technology is a game-changer, minimizing shake and ensuring steady footage even in the toughest conditions. Plus, with advanced HDR and HLG, your videos will pop with vibrant colors and rich details in both shadows and highlights. On the flip side, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is rumored to come with significant upgrades that could shake things up. Speculation suggests it will feature a new image sensor and advanced stabilization technology, which could enhance low-light performance and deliver even sharper images than the Hero 13 Black. With both cameras potentially offering top-notch stabilization and high-resolution recording, the choice between them will likely hinge on personal preference and specific shooting needs. Whether you prioritize low-light capabilities or sheer resolution, these action cams are sure to impress. Let's dive into the features and functionality of these two impressive action cameras. The GoPro Hero 13 Black stands out with its upgraded battery life, Bluetooth audio capabilities, and a wide array of shooting modes. Its new 1900 mAh Enduro battery ensures longer recording times, crucial for capturing every thrilling moment during your adventures. With support for Bluetooth audio, you can connect wireless microphones and headphones, enhancing your audio quality significantly. Plus, with modes like 8x slow motion and burst slow-mo, the Hero 13 Black offers plenty of options to document all your action-packed experiences. On the flip side, the upcoming Osmo Action 5 Pro is generating buzz with the promise of exciting new features. While specific details are still emerging, rumors hint at advanced connectivity options and better integration with external accessories. If these features materialize, the Osmo 5 Pro could provide even more flexibility and control than the Hero 13 Black. Although the Hero 13 already excels in various shooting scenarios, the enhancements expected in the Osmo 5 Pro could make it a serious contender in the functionality arena. Now, let's turn our attention to design and build quality. The GoPro Hero 13 Black captivates with its striking aesthetics and practical construction. It's compact, lightweight, and rugged enough to handle underwater depths of up to 33 feet without any additional housing, making it a perfect companion for adventure enthusiasts. User-friendly ergonomics, an intuitive touchscreen, and easy access to controls ensure that you can operate it effortlessly in any situation. With a water, dust, and shock-resistant design, the Hero 13 Black is built to endure even the harshest conditions. As for the Osmo Action 5 Pro, we expect it to follow a similar trend. While precise specifications are still under wraps, it's likely to match the Hero 13 Black in terms of ruggedness and design. If it adheres to the legacy of previous Osmo models, we could see some innovative features that enhance usability and durability. For now, though, the Hero 13 Black takes the lead with its proven, reliable design. When assessing action cameras, the price is a key consideration that can greatly influence your decision. The GoPro Hero 13 Black comes with a premium price tag, but this reflects its advanced technology and exceptional performance. Many users find this investment worthwhile, thanks to features like high-resolution video, outstanding stabilization, and a range of shooting modes. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or exploring underwater, the Hero 13 Black is a versatile tool for both amateur and professional content creators. Its durability and cutting-edge capabilities make the higher cost a reasonable option for those seeking top-tier video quality and reliability. As we look forward, the Osmo Action 5 Pro promises to shake things up in the camera landscape. Its pricing will be pivotal in determining how it compares to the Hero 13 Black. Rumors suggest that the Osmo 5 Pro could be similarly priced or even come in at a higher range, especially if it includes innovative features and functionalities. Advancements like improved sensor technology, enhanced AI capabilities, or a more advanced gimbal system could justify a higher price, making the Osmo 5 Pro an attractive choice for users looking for specific features that may surpass what the Hero 13 Black offers. In the end, while the Hero 13 Black currently offers excellent value with its extensive feature set and reliable performance, the true test will be how the Osmo 5 Pro performs in real-world scenarios and how it is priced. If it delivers on its promises and remains competitively priced, it could present a formidable challenge to the Hero 13 Black. Potential buyers should keep an eye on official release details and reviews of the Osmo 5 Pro to see if its price and performance meet their needs. Ultimately, both the GoPro Hero 13 Black and the anticipated Osmo 5 Pro cater to different types of content creators, each bringing unique strengths to the table. The choice will likely come down to individual priorities, whether that's advanced features, price, or overall performance in various shooting conditions. The GoPro Hero 13 Black, the latest release from GoPro, truly shines with its cutting-edge high-resolution video capabilities, excellent stabilization features, and rugged design built to withstand extreme environments. With improved waterproofing, it remains a top choice for action sports enthusiasts, adventurers, and professional videographers eager to capture dynamic footage. Our comparison of the GoPro Hero 13 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these cameras. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this in your feed.